How to create a OneDrive folder. Do you need to organize your files in OneDrive? Let's quickly create a new folder to keep everything tidy and sorted. Let's get into the video. First of all, open File Explorer and click on the OneDrive icon in the left sidebar. This opens your synced OneDrive folder. Right-click anywhere inside the folder. Hover over New and choose Folder. Name it anything that you want. Now drag and drop your files into the new folder. OneDrive will sync everything to the cloud automatically. And that's it. A new folder, organized and backed up in your OneDrive. If this video helped you and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.